All right, kids, welcome back to the shop. Today, we're going to restore Old Glory. This flag was made probably, I'm thinking, 25 years ago by my dad. He died in 2000. It's been around a long time, and it's starting to weather, as you can see. The paint's peeling off. The stripes have been repaired quite a few times. They're cracked. Some areas, they're actually screwed on. And so what we're going to do in this video is we're going to remove all of this, and we're just going to sand it down and repaint it. I don't plan on really repairing any of this. I'm probably going to fill in the holes and we'll attach it using glue. I have already removed one of these. That one goes there. I did a little experiment. I tried to do some stripper. Try to use stripper. I used this. And it didn't do bad, but it wasn't worth the effort. I just sanded this down by hand. That's all we're going to end up doing. Is I'm probably going to just take my jitterbug, sand everything down by hand, and repaint it. The other thing I did was I took a picture of it and I made a map. And I know it's hard to see here, but I numbered them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. And when I remove them, I will number them so I can put them back where they belong. Again, I'm not sure what happened here. I don't know if he spliced a couple pieces together, but we're keeping it. And we'll just smooth this out as we go, and we're going to paint it. All right, guys, stay tuned. A template for this project will be available on the website. It'll come with a full-size template and 3D printed stars. A link to the website is in the description below. I'm sanding the surface using 80 grit sandpaper. I coat everything with a few coats of white PPG exterior house paint. I use Rust-Oleum oil-based paint for the stars and the stripes. I draw the stars in Fusion and 3D print them. Leave a comment. What do you think of this project? A link to the website is in the description below. This looks really good. Everything is painted. It's time for assembly. I drill and countersink the holes to accept number 6 machine screws. Time to lay out the stripes and attach them using the number 6 machine screws. Leave a comment. What do you think of this project? It looks good. Now I have to fill the screw holes with wood putty. Let's apply the final coat of paint, making sure we take care of these edges.
Ah, shit.
This is looking pretty good. The tape peeled up some white. Not a big deal. The whole thing needs a little bit of a touch-up, but it looks really good. There we go, it looks good. Turned out well. A template for this project will be available on the website. It'll come with a full-size template and 3D printed stars. A link to the website is in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.